How to add trust budgets on Shopify. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you everything needed to successfully add budgets on product page, like payment icons, satisfaction guarantees, and also safe checkout sales. That makes a big difference in your conversion rate. So make sure to finish this video until the end to be able to transform your store into a trusted shopping destination. So without no more talking, let's get started. Then guys, open your Shopify dashboard. Then I will show you step by step how easily add trust budgets on your Shopify product or Shopify store. Then I will give you an example before adding. As you see guys, this is my Shopify product. Then I will show you before adding trust budget and after on your Shopify. Then guys, hit on Shopify, just scroll to the bottom and hit on settings. Then go directly to apps and sales channel. Then guys, go to upload and download this an application on your Shopify. As you see guys, don't worry, it's very easy. Just tap trust budgets. Then I will show you the easiest application to use even you are a beginner. Then guys, it's give you a bunch of different applications, but I prefer to use this one, Trust Budgets Bear, because it's very easy and also it's give you a free plan available. Then easily add trust budgets and sales to increase customer trust and increase your conversion rate. Then guys, make sure to install this application. Then it doesn't take much space on your Shopify. Then hit on install. It's very easy guys, don't worry. Now guys, your application was installed successfully. Then this is the dashboard of your application Trust Budget. Then I will show you step by step how easily add and customize your trust budget on Shopify page or Shopify product. Then guys, for this first one, you need to welcome to Unlimited Trust Budget. First install the Unlimited budget. Then guys, after installing the application, go to enable Unlimited Trusted Budget. Just go scroll to the bottom and hit on enable. Then guys, as you see guys, automatically the enable limited trust budget, it will verify it automatically. Then guys, scroll to the bottom to customize your trust budget. Then guys, go directly to header text. Just tap header text. For example, you want to change the header text, for example, like then guys, go directly to header text. For example, if you want to change or customize the search checkout with, for example, add certified quality. Then go directly to the font. Just if you want to change the font, for example, this one or this one, select which one that you want, the font that you want to add it to your Shopify. For example, I prefer this one. Then guys, go directly to alignment, left or to the right or center. The size, I prefer to increase size. Then guys, the color, guys, I prefer to the black color, for example, like this. Then guys, scroll also to budget setting, the budget style, for example, this one or this one, or I prefer this one, like the cart section. Then alignment also of the cart, I prefer the center, not the left or right or center. Then guys, the budget size desktop, I prefer small or medium, like this. Then if you make it small, just you need to decrease the size of the font. Then for example, like this. Then guys, scroll directly to budget size mobile, just I prefer to also the small. Then guys, go directly to budget color, go to and make it black also. Then scroll to animation, guys. I prefer this animation, it's more better. It's give your product page more trusted and more professional. Then I prefer to choose this one, snow and play animation, like this. Or you can easily choose the slide info, sorry, like this, or pop, like this. Then guys, go directly to bear placement. For example guys, if you want to add this show bar on product page, or you can just go back and the bottom and hit on save. Then guys, hit on save. Then automatically the trust budget automatically added on your Shopify. Then guys, if you want to edit the budgets, just select the budgets and select which one that you want. For example, scroll to add PayPal, for example. In the search bar, tap PayPal. Then guys, for example, you can easily add PayPal and also add some trust budgets. For example, guarantee 100% guarantees. For example, I'll give you an example on guarantees budgets. on this application, guys. It's give you a bunch of too much different budgets. For example, 100% guarantees, 30 days or 60 days. I prefer to 40 days. If you are in United States, then hit on save, then go to remove this one, for example this one, then hit on save. As you see, guys, you can easily customize your budget selector also. Then guys, hit on save. Now guys, go back and open your Shopify product page, then reload the page, then wait a few seconds, then automatically your as you see, guys, automatically your certificate quality or budgets or trust budgets, it will appear automatically. Then go back and change the font to white color, because my Shopify store is on the black color. Then go directly to change to this section and make it white color like this, then hit on save, then go back again and reload the page. As you see, guys, it will added with the white color. Then guys, if you want to customize the place of your trust budget, just go to your customize section on your Shopify store, then you can easily drag it into the bottom. Then guys, this is the easy method to add trust budgets and customize every budget that you want on your Shopify product or Shopify store. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.